Today, I'm going to show you how to make my power-packed bean soup from scratch. First, cook the beans in an Instapot for about 25 minutes, or you can soak them overnight. Beans and lentils are nutritional powerhouses packed with protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Next, chop the onion, carrots, lotus root, sweet potatoes, and celery into bite-sized pieces. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe so you'll never miss any of my upcoming videos. And by the way, not only are beans and lentils delicious and packed full of nutrients, they actually help you maintain a healthy gut microbiome, which is essential for overall health. Now finely mince the garlic. Add the olive oil to a stock pot, then add the garlic and cook for about 2 minutes. Add the rest of the vegetables, toss them in the oil, and saute them till they start to soften. Now add the diced tomatoes, tomato paste, and stir. Now add the vegetable stock, then the oregano, the thyme, the pepper flakes, cumin, curry, paprika, the salt, and the pepper. Now keep stirring that till it comes to a boil. Then add the beans, and some of the bean liquid. Cover, simmer on low for a few minutes, then add the lentils, then you're going to cover and simmer for 25 more minutes. Thanks for watching, and remember to hit the bell for notifications so you never miss an upcoming video.